Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we are going to have lesson 5 dividing integers. What will you learn at the end of the lesson? Inshallah, you're gonna be able to divide integers, find the average of a set of data. How is dividing integers related to multiplying integers? You can find the quotient of negative 12 divided by negative 4 using a number line to find how many groups of negative 4 are in negative 12. Show negative 12 on a number line first, then divide it into groups of negative 4. So here from 0 to negative 12, here I'll go to the left, okay, because negative, as you see. So until negative 12 here. And then see how many here, how many groups of negative 4 in negative until negative 12. So you're gonna see here, as you see here, 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be here 3. Let's see. Okay. So divide integers. You can find the quotient of two integers by using related multiplication sentence. I have here, think of this factor, negative 3 times negative 4 times 3. Here, negative 4 times 3, as you see, equals to negative 12, right? Okay, I want the marker. So, I have here negative 12 divided here negative 4, it gives me 3. The quotient will be 3. Negative 2 times 5, these are factors, as you know, equals to negative 10. So negative 10 divided by negative 2, it gives me here the quotient will be 5. So in the division sentence, negative 12 divided divided negative 4 gives me 3, and negative 10 divided negative 2 gives me 5. Notice that the dividends and the divisors are both negatives. Do you remember the dividends and the divisors? Okay, they are both they are both negative, as you see here. Okay, here as you see, the dividend and the divisors are negative. Negative divided negative gives me positive. Okay, so negative 10 divided bracket negative 2 gives me positive here quotient, as you see. Very easy. Okay, you already know that the quotient of the two positive integers is positive. Negative 12 divided 4 equals 3. Both of them are positive, so it gives you positive. Negative here, 12 divided negative 3, negative gives you positive. Okay, positive gives you positive. So the quotient of two integers with the same sign is positive. Okay, very easy. Okay. Divide integers with the same sign. Example 1, negative 32 divided negative 8. So negative divided negative gives you positive. Okay, I have here 75 divided 5. This is the fraction here means divided. So it means that 75 divided 5 gives you the quotient will be positive 15. Okay, what's the sign of the quotient of a positive and a negative integer? So look for a pattern, the following related sentence here. Negative 4 times negative 6 gives you 24. So 24 divided by negative 4. Okay, I want the marker now. So here I have here I have 24 divided negative 4 gives you negative 6. Okay, so notice that the signs of the dividend and divisor are different. In both, quotient is negative. So it's like the multiplication method. If I have different signs, so the answer will be negative. Here the key concept is important. Write it on your notebook. Okay, and study this well. The quotient of two integers with different size is negative, as you see here. The marker, please. So as you see here. Okay, so I have here, my dear students, divide integers with different signs. Negative 42, example 2, divided 3 gives you what? Gives you negative sign. The signs are different. The quotient is negative. Here 48, here this is the fraction. This fraction means divided. So here, as you see, Okay, as you see here, I have 48 divided negative 6. Okay, the signs are different. The quotient is negative, easy one. Okay, evaluate algebraic expressions. Evaluate AB divided negative 4. So A is, here as you see, A is, substitute or replace A with negative 6, here negative 6, and I have B with negative 8, so times negative 8, okay, divided negative 4. So I have here 6 times 8 equal 48, and negative times negative gives me positive, yes. Divided, what? Divided negative 4. 48 divided negative 4 gives you negative 12. So the quotient here is negative 12. Average mean. Division is used in statistics to find the average or mean of a set of data. Remember, we had initials of this in grade 7 to find the mean of a set of numbers, find the sum of the numbers and divide them, and then divide by the number of the set. Okay, example 4 for the mean. Rachel had test scores of 84, 19, 89, and 93. Find the average mean of her test scores. Do you remember the average? How can I get the average? Okay, I'm getting here all the sum of all of her scores. Okay, the sum of all of her scores. Okay, 84 plus 90, 89 plus 93. Okay, 356 divided 4. Divided 4, divided what? The number of scores. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here 356 divided 4 gives you simplified 89. Okay, so the average of her test scores is 89. Note BM or focus here checking. Okay, the average must be between the greatest and the least numbers in the set. The average in example 4A and 4B, is it reasonable? Let's see. I have here, it's 89, okay. 89 here, as you see, we have here 89. Yes, we have 89. So the average of her test is 89. B. The average, find the average of negative 2, 8, 5, negative 9, negative 12, negative 2. I have here, what should I do? I add all the numbers or the integers, negative 2 plus 8 and so on. Remember to put the negatives in brackets here. Why? I can't write here positive beside the negative. Okay, I want the marker. I can't say like this. Okay, and this. Okay, positive, negative 9. What's this? Put it in brackets. Okay, it's more appropriate to do that. Okay, find the sum of the set of integers. So negative 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus negative 9 plus negative 12 plus negative 2. So I have here, as you see, after simplifying this, it will give me negative 12 over 6. So it will be here negative 2. So the average will be negative 2. Here, what's the 6? It's that total number of the number of the digits or the integers given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. So the concepts here: adding integers, subtracting integers, multiplying, dividing integers. It's important to revise this well. Adding integers, don't forget here the examples to remember it. Okay. And subtracting integers, subtract an integer and its additive inverse. Multiplying integers, the product of two integers with the same sign is positive. The product of integers with different signs is negative. Okay, this one, my dear students, is important. Same sign positive here for multiplying, and different signs is negative. Okay, the dividing also the same sign positive, different signs negative. And also here for the adding integers, I have here, remember this one. Remember, my dear students, negative 4 plus negative 4 gives me what? Here I add both 4 plus 5 with the same sign. I add 4 plus 5 gives me 9, and I'll take the same here negative. Okay, and also for the positive. And if they are different, I make subtraction. 5 minus 4 gives me 1, and I'll take the sign of the greater number. Easy? Easy? Okay, it's easy. My dear students, thank you. And don't forget to solve the practice book for this lesson, okay? Thank you, my dear students, for listening.